Meaning of divinely.
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 Divinely. The word divinely is an adverb that describes something as being of or relating to a divine nature or deity. In essence, it refers to something that is godlike or heavenly in quality. When something is described as divinely, it implies a sense of perfection, holiness, or excellence that transcends humanity and the natural world. This can range from describing art or music as divinely inspired, to praising someone's character or behavior as divinely good or righteous. Overall, the use of divinely imbues a sense of spiritual or supernatural significance to something.